Hey folks, Middlebury Chevrolet, and you join me here with a 2021 Chevrolet Bolt EV, mosaic black with a dark galvanized half-light interior. This one comes with all the packages: confidence and convenience, driver confidence and driver confidence 2, and a DC fast charging option. Giant rebates this month, and extra money from the state, and Green Mountain Power if you're a customer. They give you a free charger worth $600. It's a level 2 charger that you can install at home. Stock number CC125, available to purchase and lease right now. Middlebury Chevrolet, 802-382-2200.